out cans for the canned food drive.
That's brilliant, ladies. Thank you so much. You guys are like peas and carrots.
You're welcome.
But seriously, this great burg of ours of Los Lunas, we're going to be going without this Thanksgiving because there are lots of people in our community who need your help. So Mighty Tigers, I'm asking you to please help those in need in our community. We're going to have a canned food drive that's running until November 25th, and we're going to give you pizza if you bring in the most canned goods. So you want to bring those cans into your 3B classroom. Come on, guys, let's work together.